It's really hard to see on camera, but it just started the second layer just a second ago, and it's already so easy to see how my adjustments have made a huge difference. And it's really cool to see how they are actually working. And I'm getting a really great second layer. Now granted, a second layer is always going to be nicer than the first because it's adhering to plastic, but still, there's like no gaps, nothing. And even on my manual leveled print of this, on the second layer, I was still getting small gaps, especially towards the center where there's a dip and in the middle column. But so far, it's been night and day when it comes to me doing it through the automatic leveler and then doing it manually. Well, in that opposite order. Manual has been not as good as the automatic one. So anyway, I'm gonna watch this some more, and just want to finish by saying my hands-on review has been amazing. I probably won't shoot any more videos because it's awesome. I might give an update video later after I make some mods or something like that, if I do decide to mod this machine at all. But man, I mean, check out, I fine-tuned this and it's perfect looking. And I'm excited to see how it does on some of these other areas. But yeah, just wanted to say this printer's a heck of a deal. It's cheap for its size, and it's solid. It's really nice. Anyway, thanks for watching.